Welcome to my channel, where I share valuable insights to boost your engineering career. Today, I'll unveil key resources that will propel your journey towards success. The first resource is continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest advancements in your field. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops, and never stop expanding your knowledge base. The second resource is networking. Build a strong professional network by attending industry events and connecting with peers, mentors, and potential employers. Collaborate, share ideas, and stay connected. The third resource is practical experience. Seek out internships, co-op programs, or projects that allow you to apply theoretical knowledge in a real-world setting. Hands-on experience will differentiate you from other candidates. The fourth resource is professional certifications. Acquiring certifications in your engineering discipline showcases your expertise and dedication. It opens doors to more opportunities and higher positions. The fifth resource is personal branding. Create a strong online presence through a professional website or LinkedIn profile. Showcase your achievements, projects, and contributions. Your personal brand will attract the right opportunities. Lastly, the sixth resource is mentorship. Seek guidance from experienced engineers who can offer valuable advice and support. Mentors can help you navigate challenges and provide insights to accelerate your career growth. Remember, by utilizing these key resources, continuous learning, networking, practical experience, professional certifications, personal branding, and mentorship, you can propel your engineering career to new heights. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more career-boosting content. Together, let's achieve excellence in the field of engineering. See you in the next video.